Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk.
Well, hey family, happy Tuesday. This is Darlene. I am sitting here making some earrings. So what I've been doing is I kind of like these charm junket earrings, and I wanted to do something just a little bit extra to them. So what I did is I went ahead and linked some chain, not chain, but jump rings, and then more or less like put the jump rings around this part, the middle part that I already beaded. And I do like the way they came out. They're real different, and I'm gonna probably wear these myself. I have an event coming up on Friday, and it's in the afternoon. Actually, it's a job event, so I'm gonna probably wear these earrings because I like the way they look. And I got this really pretty summery orange dress. I'll wear these, and then I got some, bracelets and stuff I'm gonna be wearing too. But I really like these. I like the way they look, and they look kind of summery. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how I did this. So this one has the jump rings surrounding it. This one does not. And then let me know which one you guys like better. If you like it with a jump ring surrounding it or without. I like them both ways, but I do kind of like this one. I'm gonna wear these on Friday. So all I did was, of course, made the earring, beaded it, and then did some custom charms. There's a video showing you how to do custom charms, real easy. Just use some small beads. I use 18 gauge wire, and then I've been making my own jump rings using 16 gauge wire only because it's thicker and it's a lot sturdier. So that's all this is here. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and link 3 jump rings together. I guess these would be like a what, maybe a 12 millimeter size jump ring. And then I'm going to take the third jump ring and then go ahead and link it to these two. So that's what that looks like. And then what I'm going to do is take the jump ring and then link it to the bottom jump ring here, like that. And then close it. I'm going to take, that's how that looks. And then I'm going to take the third jump ring that's linked. I'm going to open that and then go ahead and put it up around this part at the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and close it nice and snug like that. So then that gives us this cricket. Oh no, that fell down good. So that fell pretty good. I thought I was going to have to change it, but I'm going to leave it just like that. So that's one side. And then we will take the other 3 jump rings. So we got 1, 2, and then we'll link these together. And then we'll take our third jump ring, open that, and then this is what we got. And we'll grab our earring. And then we're going to go to the other side. I still might have to change this around, but I'll check it once I'm finished. So we'll take that jump ring and link it down here. Close that off. And then that should lay right. And then we'll take this jump ring, and it should go in there fairly easy. And then we'll close it nice and snug. And then I'm going to add So that's how they look so far. But then I'm going to go ahead and add a jump ring on, not a jump ring, but a charm on each side just to fill it in just a little bit more. So we'll put this one over here. Go ahead and close it off. And then we're going to go to the other side and we're going to grab this jump ring. And then we'll put another charm there. And then we'll go ahead and close that one nice and snug. Grab our fish hook. And then this is what I want. Just nice. And they're light. They're not heavy at all. And these are like really different. If I wanted to, I was thinking I can add another jump ring, but these are fine. I mean, they're very unique. They're really different. And I wanted something that's like a junky type earring. Junky, but lightweight and easy to wear, kind of summery, real pretty, just really unique. And these are the spacers here in the middle. I got these little rhinestone spacers off of Amazon. I'll put a link there. And I think these are 8mm. So those are the 8mm ones. Of course, I use for the jump ring 16 gauge wire. For the actual earring, I use 18 gauge wire. So it's links in the description down there if you want any of these supplies. Also, these little glass beads, these are 6mm, I believe, and I got these off of Amazon as well.